to some of the temples. I took a tuk-tuk truck, and they like try to scam you in a way that they take you to like a tailor and a tourist office that apparently is not a real tourist office. But they also took me to some temples to see the golden Buddha.
บูชาไตรจีวรทำบุญชุดละ100
and the lucky Buddha, the lucky temple something, and I also went to see the declining Buddha. And today I'm going to Wat Arun. I have to walk for a bit from my hostel. I have a hostel very close to Koh Railway. It's like the main backpacking street. So I'm walking from there and gonna go and catch a tiny ferry before I arrive at the temple. After spending 2 days in Bangkok, I took the night bus from Bangkok to Chiang Mai, and it was so nice, like a luxury experience, and it was food in the middle of the night. Didn't sleep that much, so I went straight to my hostel, got my bed straight away, 8 in the morning, and I just slept. It's now 2, and I'm now gonna go and meet a friend of a friend I made in Bangkok. And we're gonna go with a group and do cooking class, which sounds really nice. I really want to learn how to make Thai food. That's gonna be really nice. So yeah, that's today's plan, and tomorrow I'm gonna go see the elephants.
Tom yum set, they're gonna be in your soup. Your tom yum for flavor. So you're gonna have the lemongrass here. Lemongrass. The leaves are kaffir lime leaf. It's another kind of lime. Kaffir lime.
I wanna wander out of the valley where the river takes us far away from home. Down to
Black peppers, orange seeds, lemon seeds, and salt.
where there's nothing but the breeze and the great unknown. Leave your worries and your sickness.
After my cooking class, I went straight back to my hostel because the cooking class was like 6 hours, and then when I came back it was around 10 in the evening, and I knew that I was going to be picked up at 7 the next morning because I was going to the elephant sanctuary. So I went to a Happy Elephant Home, and I had an incredible experience experiencing elephants for the first time. Having fun with elephants today. Oh, there's one over here. It's been a really good day. I really recommend this place. It's Happy Elephant Home. Hi.
After spending a really nice day with the elephants, it was time to do something very different. We went to a ladyboy show. Now just made it to Pai, which is about 4 hours north of Chiang Mai. It's supposed to be 4 hours, but the bus I think it made it in like 3 hours something. It was like driving crazy. But now I'm here and I have booked into Rainbow House Hostel and I've got my own little hut and it's a beautiful garden here with beautiful lit river outside, and it's just I just need it. I went into Pai and some of my friends that I hear, they rented scooters. So first they had to have a lesson and then rented a scooter to go around, and I was like, oh, I just want to chill, and I had to do my laundry, and I did that as well. But while I did my laundry, or I dropped it off, and that was like a 4-hour wait to pick it up. So I went for breakfast, which was so nice. It was like a fruit bowl, so nice. And then I walked over to the scooter place where some of my friends were like doing their lesson, and I was like, okay, I could just do it then. I didn't really want to because I was like, why do I need it? But then again, I am able to see more of this beautiful place having a scooter, so I rented one. And yesterday we went to the Big Buddha, which was so nice. I'm gonna show you that right now. After the Big Buddha, we went to the canyon where we watched the sunset, and the canyon was beautiful. It wasn't really big, to be honest. I thought it would be bigger, or I don't know what I expected, but it was really nice just to watch the sunset there with friends. It was really nice. Then we went back, went to the night market, had some food, had some drinks. It's so nice here. It's so relaxed, and everybody here is also very relaxed. So I have the bike today, the scooter today as well, so I'm just gonna drive around. I want to see some more nature, and some of the roads to get to, like viewpoints and stuff, they're supposed to be really tricky, steep and like bumpy and stuff, and I'm very beginner to the scooter, so I'm not gonna do that. But I'm just gonna yeah, I'm just gonna drive around and just see what I can find.
I hope you Don't mind if I say that I love you, 'cause there's so many ways that I want to carve out our names, board a last minute plane, just us two. We can chase the sun as it sets in the mountains, find luck like a bet in Greek fountains, or lay lazy in bed with your head on my chest. I hope you don't mind if I say that I love you. Every day another high do, 'cause you know I do.
Today I'm leaving Pai and it's been beautiful here. I've been staying in my hut. I've had very like nature experience with the fish in the pond right outside my window, and going to the bathroom and showering in a shed. There's also been insects in my room, but I don't really mind as long as it's not spiders, to be honest. But other than that, it's been so nice, especially seeing this place. We rented scooters. I didn't really want to in the beginning, but then I realized it was a perfect idea because you can get around so easily everywhere. Takes you 10 to 20 minutes to drive anywhere you want to go. So I've been to so many nice places with amazing people. The people here are so chilled. Everybody's like searching for something, but it's not. A lot of people call it like a party place. Yeah, there are a lot of bars and stuff. You can do stuff like you can drink, but it's not very like hardcore partying, which is really nice. It's just, yeah, you're relaxing and just having a good time here, and I really love Pai. I'm leaving today and my friends are leaving today as well, and to stay in a place where your friends are leaving, it's not a good idea because your experience of the place will change. And yeah, I'm ready to go. So now I'm heading back to Chiang Mai, and I will show you in the next video where I'm going next. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe and give me a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.